Hey guys, I got an improvement for when we do our assembly seminars on the design phase. So when the engineer has a design totally ready to go, but we need to confirm that everything is ready for manufacturing to succeed with it, we do a assembly seminar where it's like a dress rehearsal to make sure that everything is as it needs to be. And we have not had a documented standard for how to do that. It's kind of been just best practice and tribal knowledge of how to approach it. We just did one. Jay and I did one today for a product and took a bunch of notes here, and I'm gonna standardize it. So I've simplified it to lessons learned, observations, things that went wrong that might need to have an action taken, and quality risk points that might also need action. So previously, all that we had was this for the assembly seminar, which was really the preparation work the engineer did, but nothing to govern the seminar when it happens. So I added a tab for the assembly seminar to record observations, quality risk points, and lessons learned. A column for tasks, who owns the task, and if it's complete, so that when Drew and I are reviewing the project, it's super clear when this is green light, ready for manufacturing to receive. And you can format it to print so that the engineer and the team leader can use this and scribble on it when conducting the assembly seminar.